Hi you guys, thank you for tuning back in. I know I've been gone for a few weeks, but it's been so hard for me to concentrate on creating content with everything that's going on in the world right now. But it has been a few weeks and I have been able to really process what's going on. And so today I just want to do a quarantine clean. So as you can see, I'm removing all of the pillows off of the couch and I have an idea to clean the upholstery, but I'm waiting to get my Bissell carpet cleaner later on this week. So now I'm just going to vacuum it with my Dyson, and that's what I'm doing now. So I hope this video finds you guys well and that you're all processing everything that's going on right now with a sound mind and just taking this time that we have to sit back and just reflect on life and really think about what God is trying to tell us through everything that is going on, because there's definitely a message. But I hope that this time is, even though it's stressful, that you're still finding that it is a test that you are finding that it's going to help make you stronger. So we're all here to encourage one another. I hope this video is helpful for you in helping motivate you to clean yourself and to make your space comfortable, because we're going to be in them for a while. So now that I've vacuumed underneath all of the cushions, I'm putting all of the cushions back onto the couch. And like I said, I am going to come back in a later video and clean the upholstery. But for now, I just want to tidy up the living room space and clean it up with all of the toys. And I'm going to vacuum the hardwood floors. I also want to get the rugs cleaned, but with everything that's going on right now, it's impossible for me to have a company to come pick them up and have them deep cleaned and return them when they're done, because it's just not an essential service. So it is something I'm going to have to wait on. But in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and prep these floors so that they can get a deep clean with a mop and steam. So now I'm gonna mop, and I am using some disinfectant in the water. This is really important because they're saying that our shoes are what track the virus into our homes and where we work, and that's actually how it's spread across the entire world through airports and foot traffic. So we recommend to remove your shoes before you come into your house, and of course always to wash your hands and disinfect doorknobs and all sorts of things that you're touching, especially like the kids' toys, and make sure your kids are washing their hands. But I want to do this before I steam because that's really important. And these floors really needed to be mopped. I came around some spots where there was some stuff that was stuck to the floors. Of course, it must have been my baby or one of the kids running around through the house dropping something on it. And because it was behind furniture, I just didn't see it. So I'm glad I'm taking the time to mop before I steam so that I can get all the little gunk like that up. And I like how my hair is just flying in the wind. You can really tell I'm putting in the work to get that stuff up. But now I'm going to steam my floors with my steam mop, which I really love this steam mop, guys. If you don't have one, I highly recommend it, especially if you have wood or tile floors. This thing is awesome. Even if you just want to dust with it, it is really awesome for that. I love it. And this one is by Shark. And you don't really need to mop before you steam. This is just something I wanted to do as a deep cleaning method this time. Normally, If I do this once a week, I'll just do it with the steam mop using the solution. But every couple of months when I mop, I really like to just get the floors really wet with a mop and then go back over it with the steam mop. So that's going to be it for this one, guys. I just want to let you know I haven't forgotten about you and to show you what I did with this simple clean. There's more to come, so stay tuned to the next video. But until then, be your own kind of beautiful.